Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini, 8 sign. This is weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini, 8 sign. What's a flight list? Gemini, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, 10 of Cups, 8 of Wands, and Queen of Wands, and 4 of Cups. I think there is a missed opportunity. You are feeling missed opportunity with someone, but you are taking your control back, and there is lots of communication is coming in your way. For some, your situation, I think there is a change in your life, and it is coming in very fastly. And 10 of Cups, there is some big happiness is coming into your way. So 10 of Cups may be reconciliation if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, your relationship is going to be next level. Gemini. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Magician, 6 of Wands, and the Strength. I think you manifested successful career into your life. You're getting recognition for your hard work, and you are taking your control back. You overcome many things. Now you stand by your power. And you are in a magician energy in recent past. Then present, 7 of Pentacles, the World, and 9 of Pentacles. Maybe you are waiting on someone or something. Some cycles between you and your person are ended. Some going to be begin. And you are working on yourself. Your total concentration and your major concentration on your career, on your abundance. You want to stand by your power. 9 of Pentacles energy you want to be in. But you are waiting on something on someone. In career wise, maybe you invested money in some businesses and waiting for the result. Then future, Ace of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, and Queen of Cups. I think you have strong emotions towards your person. You are very caring and sharing person. Things will turn into your favor in near future. Wheel of Fortune is here. And Ace of Cups. So for some, a brand new person, a new love is coming into your life. For some, right now you are loving yourself. You are doing self-love, giving priority to yourself. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Gemini, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Temperance, 5 of Swords, and 2 of Pentacles. I think your person right now juggling. There are some issues between you and your person. Maybe they did hurt you. They backstabbed on you. For some third party involved in this connection. Temperance. The person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Right now your person is patiently waiting. So let's see their current feelings and their intentions. Gemini. Eight of Swords, Ace of Swords, 9 of Pentacles, King of Wands, and Page of Pentacles. I think your person is very dominant in nature and they want to communicate with you. Maybe you will receive some text or communication. They're planning to communicate with you. And 8 of Swords. Right now your person feeling stuck, but they want to communicate and they want to give clarity to you because Ace of Swords, some truth coming out. And Nine of Pentacles, I think your person is very, very independent person, especially emotionally, where they are very independent. Yeah, right now your person stuck on you, they're thinking about you a lot and they're planning to communicate with you. So let's see their intentions. Ace of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, Page of Cups. Yes, in past maybe they did hurt you. Now they're coming back with an apology and commitment. Right now maybe your person emotions are running high and Ten of Wands energy. Maybe they're busy with their work, overburdened due to family or work pressure. Yeah, they're rushing to communicate with you. And Ace of Pentacles, they want new beginnings with you and they want to offer commitment to you. Yeah, maybe they are waiting for right time, Wheel of Fortune, divine timing, but communication. In past, they did hurt you. Now they're coming back with an apology. Now they're wanting you back. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. For some it will take some time because right now your person waiting. Yes, patience is the key here guys, Gemini, because Seven of Pentacles and Temperance. Definitely patiently waiting your person for right time, and for this connection also patience is the key. Yeah, right now your person is heartbroken. Maybe they are working on themselves. Maybe they're scared for rejection also. Yeah, I think patience is the key. In divine timing they will make a move towards you. And you are going through some tougher moment. Yeah, they are coming back with an apology, but for some it will take time frame is different. And Eight of Swords, yeah, I think you are also stuck on this person. They are also stuck on you because Eight of Swords, you both are on the same page. Especially you are missing them a lot. You are getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person. So let's see mutual. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo and Sagittarius. Or Pisces. Yeah. So there are some issues, trust issues between you and your person. But for some there will be reconciliation because King of Pentacles, stability is coming. But there are some issues and the lovers and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Yes, there is love. At the same time there are some issues. Let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. Decision time. Your pure perfection. Reconciliation. Third party involved. I am afraid to tell you how I feel. Please wait for me. So the messages are decision time, your pure perfection, reconciliation, third party involved. I am afraid to tell you how I feel and please wait for me. So these are the messages from your person and take what resonates. Under the deck, a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra, Libra energy. For some there will be new beginnings. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Gemini. A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra, Libra energy. Definitely luck is on your side. A win-win outcome is your forecast. Let's see another message. Bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius energy. So bring love into the situation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications supporting me. Thank you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.